Accidentally deleted an important file or emptied your recycle bin? Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your lost files in just a few clicks using MyRecover. To get started, visit myrecover.com. Here you'll see the Download Freeware button. Click on it to download the software. Once the software is installed, open it and you'll see this screen. On the left side, you'll find several recovery options: deleted files recovery, recycle bin recovery, USB/SD card recovery, format recovery, disk data recovery, partition lost recovery, PC crashed recovery. Select the option that matches your situation. For this demonstration, I'm going to select recycle bin recovery. Now, select the location where your file was stored before it was deleted. My file was saved on the desktop, so I'll select desktop and start the scan. The scanning process has now started. Let's wait for it to find our deleted files. Once the scan is complete, you'll see a list of recoverable files. You can filter the results by category, including images, documents, videos, audio files, and more. I'm going to select JPG files. As you can see, MyRecover has found several deleted images. Now, I'll select the image I want to restore and click the Recover button. Next, choose where you want to save the recovered file. This step is important. Always save the recovered file to a different drive or partition from the one where it was deleted. Saving it back to the original location could overwrite other recoverable data. I've already created a separate folder for the recovered file, so I'll select it and click OK. And there we go! The recovery process has been completed successfully. As you can see, the deleted image has been recovered and is working properly. You can also use MyRecover to restore accidentally deleted files from your computer, recycle bin, USB drive, SD card, or other storage devices. Visit the MyRecover website and download the software to try it yourself. For more useful software tutorials and the latest tech updates, subscribe to my channel.